Hi, I'm Miss Amy from the Rogers Public Library, and this is for my program Colorin Colorado. Hola, soy la señorita Amy, y esto es para mi programa Colorin Colorado. Today we are making a flapping owl. So there he is. And now I'll show you how to make him. In your craft packet, you will find a wooden popsicle stick, a piece of yarn, 2 brass tacks, 2 circles to use as eyes, 1 yellow beak, 1 little white tummy for our owl, 2 wings, 2 little feet, and our owl base. So we'll start by taking our owl base, and we'll want to take this little white part, which is the tummy, and we'll want to align it up with the bottom like this, and then we'll just glue it on. So that is what he looks like with his little white tummy. And now we are going to take these 2 little black feet and we'll put them right on the bottom like this. And now that both of our feet are on there, we're going to take these 2 white circles to use as eyes. So we're going to put them right there just like that. And now that our eyes are on there, we're going to take this little yellow beak and we are going to put it right in between those 2 big eyes. So before we move on to our next part, you'll want to take a black marker and you can do some little patterns on his belly to make it look more like feathers. We can give him some pupils too for his eyes. So there's my little owl now that he has pupils and some feathers on his belly. And now we're going to take our wings, which should be hole punched, with 2 holes, and we're going to line up the bottom hole of our wings with the one on our owl, and we are going to put a brass tack through it just like that, and we'll do the same thing to the other one just like that. And now with our yarn, so you're going to loop it through the 2 top holes like this, and then we are going to tie the rest of our string right in the middle just like this. And then when you pull it, his wings should flap, and if they don't flap well enough, then you can loosen the fasteners on the back just a little bit to give it a little bit more give, like this. And now we'll just glue our popsicle stick to the back so you can have something to hold him up better. And we are done. If you like this craft, feel free to come to the Rogers Public Library to pick up your own craft packet. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.